Hello, I'm a writer and a journalist, and these are my tips to make the most of this lockdown. Set a schedule and be consistent. Make it realistic. Do not make it so demanding that in the end you give it up. Organize your schedule in regular parts. My formula is one quarter of the time for reading. In an hour, that would be 15 minutes. Read poetry or writers that have passed the test of time. Classics will never let you down. One quarter of the time for thinking. Turn off your mobile phone and keep it beyond the reach of your hand. And then half of your time, or half an hour in an hour, for writing, even if it's a few words or a sentence. Don't worry about inspiration, it comes and goes. But when it comes, as Picasso said, it better find you working.